I'm Alex McDonald and I'm going to be destroying a fucking Nelsonville, York Chromebook today.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my god.
Eat this contaminated.
Oh my
god. Alright. Now you're going to take a pair of fucking candles. And you're going to want to fucking just...
Oh my gosh.
First off, you're going to take this bitch right here like this. And just break like that. That's exactly what you want to see right there. Okay, where's my Alright, you're going to take your axe. You're just going to put this bitch sideways. As you can see, you want the Chromebook on. As you do this, or it won't work. Then you just want to shave off all the other. Now, this is troubleshooting with your screen. If your screen's having problems, what you're going to do is you're going to want to disconnect it from the whole system. And then you're going to want to, you're going to have to take the axe and you're going to put it around your knee just like this. And then you're going to want to apply pressure on it. Like just like that. And go just like that with it. And then you want to spit in the middle of it to kind of lube it up. And then you're going to take your dick out. And you're going to piss on it.
What the fuck? What? Alex, go ahead, dude. This is your room. What are you doing?
You're going to piss on it. And you're going to snap it back the other way.